Have you noticed a chip or a small crack in your windshield?
Mm-hmm.
I know you have one, Steph.
But Mom, I know you have one too.
You're not supposed to tell. Were you thinking to yourself, wow, how much is that going to cost for that whole windshield to be replaced? Or maybe you were thinking of putting off that repair because it's only a small chip or crack and it's not blocking my view. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center.
And I'm Stephanie. Are you aware that when you get a chip, it can possibly lead into a large crack or even spider? Therefore, you're gonna need your whole windshield replaced. Or dirt can manage to get into the chip, making it unable to be flushed out.
I didn't think of that. I had no idea.
And even though it's spring, we're still getting winter weather and water can freeze in the chip, causing the chip to turn into a crack big enough to, yet again, the whole thing's gonna be replaced.
You know what? So a good rule of thumb is if you have a crack that's smaller than 6 inches or a chip that is smaller than 1/4 in size or even though 3 or less chips in your windshield, you may only need a minor repair instead of having the whole windshield replaced. Chips clearly show a point of impact, whereas a crack is a definite line in the glass.
But did you know that the glass is actually made up like a sandwich?
Oh, I had no idea.
There are 2 glass layers and they're sandwiched between a plastic inner layer. And if the damage to your windshield is through to the plastic layer, then it's probably too deep to be repaired. And if the damage is close to the edge of the windshield, then the structural integrity could be compromised and may, again, be unable to be repaired.
You know, I never thought of that. That definitely makes sense.
And if damage to the windshield is in the view of a sensor, such as a rain sensor,
Or how about an automated assistance system sensor?
then the windshield may not be repaired.
Why?
Sensors, they require clear view to operate properly.
Ah, makes sense. So next time you experience that horrible sound of that rock or stone hitting your windshield and chipping it, have it assessed immediately for what may turn out to be a simple repair instead of having your whole windshield replaced.
Yeah. So thank you for watching. Like us on Facebook and share the information with others so they know the importance of not putting off that chip, crack, or nick in the windshield.
Absolutely, have it assessed immediately.